Namaste. I'm Ezechi Ade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Today, I'd like to discuss the difference between good and evil. Good and evil are relative to the situation, to one's point of view, one's upbringing, one's training, one's knowledge, one's ethics, one's morals. So, to say what is good and to say that which is evil is not always easy to discriminate, to understand. But let's look at some basics. When we consider happiness, peace, love, the feeling of connection and fellowship, family, being full, having our needs met, full of food, not full, overflowing, but to say to not hunger, to not thirst, to not be cold living outdoors or whatever, to have the basic necessities and to be happy and grateful for them. We could say these things are good. Now, we could say to cause the loss of those things may be evil, because to deprive others of their happiness for selfish reasons, because you feel like you want to do that. You want them to have more than you. You don't want them to have yours. You want to take it back. Then that's not to say like if they stole it or whatever, but to say they have their own possessions and you take it from them. You deprive them from their happiness. That may be considered evil. To deprive someone of their life, that's evil. So these are the basics, but there are even gray areas in those aspects, in those regards. But more importantly, if you are making others happy, that is good. If you are making others sad, unhappy, that is bad. Now, the difference here is that when you want to be successful in your endeavors, it is necessary to not only do your best physical effort, but also to do your best energetic work. And the best energetic work to fulfill your mission is positive energy. Goodness, doing good deeds, helping others achieve happiness, to make their lives comfortable, to also make your life comfortable, to not suffer in doing your work. You are doing well, and you will be successful. If you are counterproductive, if you're negative, if you hurt people, if you bring people down, you make people sad or afraid, then your work may not be so successful. So it is really up to you to decide where you fit in on the scale of what is good and what is bad. But these are just some concepts, some ideas to consider. So if you're new to the Golden Circle Movement channel, I'd like you to go ahead and subscribe right now. Make sure you ring the notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Now, if you know the difference between good and evil, you should share this video with others. The goodness that you bring to them, it will benefit you as well. So, if you want to get with me on Instagram, you can hit me at Ezechi Ade. If you want to get with me on Twitter, at Ezechi Ade. On Facebook, at the Golden Circle Movement Group. Thank you for your participation. I really appreciate all of your input, and it makes the channel. Namaste.